Hi, this is Patty Frucci with My Florida Dreams, and we are at 3911 Maple Leaf Lane in Colony Cove. And even though it's a crazy world out there right now, we are still servicing our buyers and our sellers. So we're going to take a tour here and see what you think. This is the front lanai that has nice vinyl pull downs. The home has vinyl siding. Air conditioner is a 2019. Also has a newer membrane roof. Nice front patio also. The living room is nice and open to the kitchen and the dining area. This is semi-furnished. So we have a list of items that would be included. The home has all vertical blinds throughout. Nice built-ins in the dining room. Lots of windows, makes it nice and bright. Open kitchen, has a huge window looking into the side lanai. And that also leads out to the laundry area, and there's also another shed in the rear that we call the he shed and the she shed. Newer appliances included. Washer and dryer is also included. Down the hall to our right is the guest bath. Has a new surround in the tub shower area. This home has been maintained very well, nice and clean. Has a large guest room. To our left is the master suite. Has double walk-in closets, double sinks, private shower area. The shower also has new surround walls inside. This also has a large backyard with a shaded tree. So what'd you think? Hopefully you can give me a call at 317-709-4282 and hope to see you. Be safe.